I'm Christy Urbanik, and this video will give you a brief summary of what you can expect from me in terms of leadership in regards to technology. First off, my view of my role as the principal. As the principal in the building, my role is to be a leader in terms of the use of technology and as a learner. I will be using technology to do many of my daily things, like a Google Calendar and a Google Form during my walkthroughs. But you can also expect me to keep up on what our teachers are expected to use, as well as what our students are expected to use. For example, our teachers will be using PowerSchool and Google Docs very frequently. I will make sure to be a capable user of these tools and keep up with changes so that I can support my teachers along the way. I do not claim to be the technology leader in the building. I believe we have teachers that are in these roles formally and informally already. But I will not excuse myself from the technology tool just because it is only being used by teachers and/or students and not by myself on a daily basis. As I said, I believe that we have teachers that are more experienced and have more passion for technology, and they will be leaders and the go-to people in our building. However, I do expect that all of our teachers will be using technology, specifically PowerSchool and Google Docs and Google Sheets very often. That means if any of our teachers struggle with any of these technologies, I expect our staff, me included, to support them. But this also means that I expect any struggling staff members to reach out for support and to try to improve. They cannot just say, I can't, and stop. As for my beliefs about the expansion of one-to-one computing, I believe it is here to stay. Technology is part of our everyday lives, so why wouldn't it be an integral part of our education system for our staff and also for our students? Having said that, I think it's extremely important, and it's extremely important to me, that we stay focused on the most important part of our school system, which has always been and always will be student learning. We cannot get caught up in the latest and greatest technology or use technology just because it's there. We must put our student learning at the forefront and view everything we do, including our use of technology, through the lens of how it will impact student learning. Finally, for my plans for supporting teachers and professional development, it is extremely important to me that professional development and professional learning is not a one-time or even a once-a-month thing. We must continuously support our staff, especially in regards to technology integration. Support and professional learning must be ongoing in order for our staff to be most effective and to have the biggest impact on student learning. Again, this just gives a brief summary of my beliefs in regards to technology integration in our school system. I look forward to talking to you more about these in person.